Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Nixod and the Grinchat. Both machines are designed for small loads, making them perfect for apartments, dormitories, and travel. Today, we'll dive into their features, pricing, and overall usability to see which one stands out as the better option for you.
When it comes to price, the Grinchat portable washing machine is the more affordable option at $59 United States dollars, while the Nixod is priced at $78 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly solution for your laundry needs. In terms of weight, the Grinchat is lighter at 2.05 kilograms compared to the Nixod's 2.85 kilograms. This makes the Grinchat a more portable option, which is essential for those who need to carry their washing machine around frequently. Feature-wise, the Nixod portable washing machine boasts a spin basket and multiple wash cycle options, making it versatile for different laundry needs. On the other hand, the Grinchat emphasizes deep cleaning capabilities, which may appeal to users looking for thorough washing. Depending on your laundry habits, these features could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the Nixod and Grinchat portable washing machines offer unique advantages. The Nixod is ideal for those who prioritize features like a spin basket, while the Grinchat is perfect for budget-conscious users looking for a lightweight option. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.